What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan, coming with another video. Hopefully everybody's doing great. Man, I'm trying to let my beard grow. Taking a long time, but I ordered a like a beard iron for my face or a beard comb. I'm gonna check it out. Hopefully it straightens out, because every time I just want to grow the opposite way. But what I've been up to lately, just been working on hip stretches and stuff like that. Been doing more yoga and just getting my once I know I open up my hips, that's when everything gets better. I used to be way more flexible, you know, you stop doing things and stuff like that, but I'm really working on my hip flexors, and opening up my hips again. You know, butterfly stretches, and I got this routine that I got off of online, and just do that yoga routine. I'm working on doing it twice a day, just opening up the hips and stuff like that, and give that a year, and then little by little everything else will open up. The thing what most people try to do is they want to open up the hips right away, but it takes time. I used to remember this girl I used to talk to at one time. She was what you call it? She was a cheerleader, I think, in high school and stuff like that. And she told me that they used to just push it down. They, like when they do the hip opening, they used to push their legs down, and you can hear that pop in their hip, and that's how they used to get to the point where they open up their hips. I'm not about that life. If it takes a year for me to open up my hips, get the lotus, I really want to get the lotus stretch out and get my lotus meditation posture going, but it's gonna take time, and but the more I do it, the muscle memory, my knees are getting almost down to the ground, but I'm just gonna work on that. I got like a hip flexor routine, a hip opener routine, a yoga routine, and try to do that twice a day and see how that goes. My fasting, how's fasting going? I'm trying to do 2 days a week where I don't eat anything. So usually Tuesdays I don't want to eat anything, and I don't know what day yet. Maybe just Tuesdays and Thursdays, and see how that goes. But other than that, going great. My minimalism is getting there little by little. I just sold a couple more things on eBay, so that should be going out. So I'm getting there. I'm minimizing my life little by little, getting there, and that's going down. So that should be going great. Just like, man, I don't know why it takes so long. I've been growing it, but it takes so long to grow. But maybe I should get some of that beard oil and see how that goes also. But that's what I've been up to, and going great. So thank you for watching my videos. If you need anything from the description, Nipsey Hussle books that he recommended is on there, and different other things. Just look in the description. Follow me on Instagram if you want to. If you want to donate, you can do that also. If you don't, it is what it is. But little by little, just getting my putting the money away to get the van, and but that's a different story. Thank you for watching my videos. Getting the hip. Once the hips open up, it's gonna be a wrap. And I'm getting back into martial arts again. So I think I was thinking between jiu-jitsu and Muay Thai. I think I'm gonna start the Muay Thai first. My phobia is having people on top of me sweating and stuff like that. Maybe that's why I need to do it, but that's my goal. Thank you for watching my video. Peace.